are from Block 2. We will present our GA sessions. It's about sport facility system. Everyone, you can have a seat.
Good morning everyone. I'm Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Asmi and I'll be facilitating today's joint application development session. My role is to guide our discussion, ensure that every stakeholder has a chance to contribute and help us stay focused on building a solution that truly addresses the problem we are facing with our sports facilities. And I'm here to keep the session structured, productive and collaborative so that we can walk away with a clear plan and share understanding. Okay, without further ado, manager, would you please introduce yourself and what's your role in this event session?
Okay, thank you very much. So hi everyone, I'm Najia Shudam, the manager that is responsible for overseeing our campus sport facilities. I also deal with operational and also budgetary aspects of maintaining these spaces. And I've seen firsthand how the current booking system that can lead to inefficiency, miscommunication and also underutilization. So I'm here to ensure that whatever solution we develop, it is not only effective for users but also sustainable and cost efficient from a management perspective.
Okay, thank you Nazia. Hello, hi everyone. So my name is Atwa. As a technician, I will handle the technical infrastructure that will support our facilities. So in this case, I will be focusing on how we can implement this new system in a secure and scalable, which is a budget-friendly way. And I will be exploring options like QR code and access by NFC tags to streamline entry and verification. And I will make sure the system integrates smoothly with our exciting campus tech. My goal is to support a solution that's both smart and practical.
Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Rasli, the developer assigned to design and build the smart sports facility management system. I will be translating all your needs and pain points into a functional, user-friendly platform. I'm aiming to create a responsive web-based system that allows real-time booking, automated confirmations, and transparent usage strategy. I will also be working closely with Azwa to ensure the system secure and easy to use across devices.
So, hello everyone, thank you for having me. My name is Ahmed Ismail and I am one of the user of the sports facility system. And also in the session, I will also be sharing my experience about the current system as one of the staff members.
Hi, good morning. My name is Muhammad Ismail, and I'm currently a student who is passionate about learning and exploring new ideas. I also enjoy participating in group discussion and project where I can share my opinion, listen to others, and work together to find effective solutions. As a student, I believe that communication, teamwork, and creativity are very important in achieving successful outcome, whether in academic work or real life situation. I'm always eager to improve myself, gain new experience, and contribute positively to any task or project I'm involved in. I'm really glad to have this opportunity to join this session today. I hope to learn from everyone here and share some of my own thoughts that could be useful for our discussion. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia, and I'm also a student who is very glad to be part of this session. I've been interested in learning through collaboration and discussions, as I believe that teamwork helps us understand different perspectives and come up with better ideas. As a student, I value responsibility, cooperation, and open communication in any project I'm involved in. I always try to approach challenges with a positive attitude and contribute meaningfully to group work. I enjoy working with others to create practical solutions that can benefit everyone. I'm also very excited to participate in today's session, share my opinions, and learn from all of you. I believe this will be a great experience for personal growth and teamwork. Thank you.
Okay, for your opponent, today we are here to address ongoing issues with our sport facilities and collaboratively design a system that meets everyone's needs. Let's begin by identifying the key problem. Okay, manager, would you like to start this opponent?
It's to me. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much. So currently, we are facing three major challenges. So the first thing first is the court booking process is completely unsystematic. So the students double book and some courts go unused. So secondly, there is frequent miscommunication between users and staff, which often leading to disputes or misbooking. Lastly, we're under budget restraint, and we need a solution that is cost effective and also reduces manual work.
Okay, thank you, Nazira. Let's hear from the users. Indra, what is your experience about this?
Well, speaking from my experience, as someone who plays football regularly, I've had a lot of trouble securing a card. Sometimes I look through WhatsApp or by asking around, but when I realize someone else is already using the card, it's really so frustrating because it wastes time and sometimes leads to misunderstanding between students. I think the main problem is there no proper system for booking. It's all manual and depends on who you contact. Sometimes messages get missed and there's no confirmation that your booking is really recorded. How about you, Nazira? Maybe you want to say something?
Certainly. Well, for me, I usually use the sports facilities just once in a while. Maybe to play badminton or netball with friends. Even though I'm not a frequent user, I still face some difficulties when trying to book a court. Sometimes I'm told the court is available, but when I show up, it's already taken or reserved for someone else. It can be quite confusing and discouraging, especially for students who only play occasionally. The current booking process feels a bit unorganized because there is no clear schedules that students can refer to, and we often have to rely on messages or word of mouth. I think it would really help if there was a single platform that students and staff could use together for booking and communication.
Okay, before we move further, I'd like to hear more from the staff side. Idris, do you mind sharing some of your experiences?
Sure, thank you, Amin. So, well, from the administrative side, we rely on manual spreadsheets and phone calls. It's a bit chaotic. So, well, the reason is because I often get blamed for errors that happen because of miscommunication or last minute changes. So, most of the time, students will contact us through WhatsApp, phone calls, or even sometimes verbal requests. I have to update everything, but because using a spreadsheet, but because there are so many ongoing requests, I have sometimes miss updates or accidentally record them.
Okay, thanks for sharing your experience. Okay, let's now look at the new system we are proposing. Arif, can you explain how it will work?
Okay, thank you, session leader Aiman, and thank you everyone. Okay, based on this issue, I would like to introduce the concept of our proposed solution, the Smart Sport Facility Management System. This will be a web-based platform designed to centralize and streamline all aspects of sport facility booking and usage. The system will allow students and staff to log in using their campus credential, view real-time availability of court and field, and make instant reservation. It will also send automated confirmations and reminders to reduce miss booking and confusion. User will be able to cancel or reschedule their bookings easily, and the system will log all activity for transparency. Okay, beyond booking, the system will include QR code check-ins at each facility to verify attendance and prevent unauthorized use. This helps ensure that only those with valid bookings can access the course. Okay, additionally, the system will collect users' data to help management plan maintenance, allocate resources, and justify budget decision. So, our goal is to create a smart, efficient, and user-friendly solution that supports both frequent athletes and casual users, while reducing the administrative burden and improving overall facility utilization.
Okay, thank you, our developer, Mr. Arif. So, as a technician role part, to support this system, we integrate it with the existing campus infrastructure, which is, in that way, student and staff data can be seen automatically, making the booking process more secure and stable. We're also exploring the low-cost access control options like QR codes, just like I said before this, and FSC tag. This can be scanned at the facility entrance, helping staff to verify bookings quickly without manual checks. Security is important too, so we will ensure the platform includes proper user authentication, which is data protection features, so only authorized users can access the system. And since most users rely on their phones, the system will be responsive and designed to work smoothly on both desktop and mobile. Whether someone's booking from their laptop or checking availability on their phones, the experience should be consistent. Thank you.
So, in my perspective, the system that was introduced from both our developer and technician will really help streamline our workflow. If I have access to a clear dashboard where I can see all bookings in real time, I won't need to constantly check or update files manually. It will also reduce the number of phone calls I receive because users can check availability on their own. So plus, the automated notifications will prevent misunderstandings. If students receive confirmations messages that remind us directly from the system, there will be less confusion about whether a booking is approved or not. So also having a QR code check-ins will help us verify attendance easily. Instead of manually checking this or asking for verbal confirmation, we'll have a reliable record. This protects both staff and the users from disputes. The system will create transparency, and that is something that we really need.
From a student perspective, I think a web-based system would make a big difference. It should show a real-time schedule of all courses, so we can easily see what's available and make a booking instantly. It will also be helpful if the system could send us automatic confirmation message after the booking, just to make sure everything is recorded properly. It would also be great if we could log in using our student ID and view our past and upcoming booking. That will make it more organized and transparent for everyone.
I really like the idea of a web-based system because it will make everything more transparent and easier to manage. If we had a website where we could check the available time slots, book directly, and receive a confirmation, that would save so much time and avoid confusion. It would also be helpful if the system could send a notification or email reminder before our scheduled time, so that we don't forget or miss our slot. For students like me, who only use the facilities occasionally, that kind of reminder would be very useful.
Okay, thank you everyone. Now let's move on to the user's perspective. By the way, all users, will you please start sharing your experience first?
Okay, thank you. Right now, everything is very unstructured. We use different ways to book some messages through WhatsApp, other call or talk to staff directly, and that causes confusion. Sometimes booking overlap because there's no centralized record. I also noticed that communication between students and staff can be unclear. For example, if there are last minute maintenance or event, we don't always get informed. That makes it hard to plan ahead and lead to waste time or disappointment. If the system could include notification or reminder, it will help reduce misunderstanding. Maybe even a feature to report issue like broken eggs or dirty cars would be useful, so maintenance can act quickly and the facilities stay in good condition.
Well, from what I see, the main problem isn't just booking, it's the lack of communication and updates. Sometimes spots are closed for cleaning or events that students only find out after arriving. There's no proper announcement system, and it causes unnecessary inconvenience. I also think that because there's no penalty or tracking system for no-shows, some students book but never turn up. This wastes the available time, slots, and limits access for others. If the system could automatically track attendance or apply a small penalty for repeated no-shows, it would encourage more responsible of use of the facilities.
Thank you, Nazira and Indra. Currently, my main problem is when maintenance happens. I have to individually message many students or manually correct bookings. This increases the chance of mistakes that I do. With a proper system, logging a code should automatically update the booking calendar, preventing accidental reservations. I also support the suggestion for a no-show penalty system. When someone does not appear for their reserved time slot, it affects everyone else. If we can restrict or want the user to encourage responsible usage.
Okay, thank you for the user. Let me hear to our developer. Arif, will you share with us your thoughts on how new or improved system could address these problems?
Okay, thank you, Ahmad. Okay, so based on what I'm hearing, we need a centralized real-time booking system, meaning something that allows user to view availability, book, and receive confirmation instantly. It should also log usage for reporting.
Okay, I will add that it's important we integrate this system with the existing campus infrastructure. In that way, we're not starting from scratch. We're building on what's already in place, like student databases and facility access points. For example, we could install QR code scanners at the code entrances. When a user makes a booking, they receive a unique QR code. They receive at the facility, they simply scan it to get access. This ensures that only user with valid reservation can enter, which helps prevent double bookings and authorized use. It's a simple solution, but it adds a layer of control and accountability. Plus, it reduces the the need for staff to manually check bookings, which saves time and lowers the chance of disputes.
That is very great. That sounds very promising, and we need to keep costs low. It's a very good idea that we build this as a web-based system rather than investing in expensive hardware. This is because it will have reduced upfront costs and make access easier for coaches and also staff across locations. Security and stability are important too. So I rather invest in strong cloud protection than maintaining a physical server. Plus, if we expand or add modules later, a web-based setup should adapt more easily. So let's move forward with this approach. Please outline the technical requirements, cost estimates, and also limitations so we can present a solid proposal to the board.
Okay, absolutely. A responsive website would work across devices and be cheaper than developing a mobile app. We can host it on our existing servers to reduce costs.
Okay, thank you. What a great input. Let us define two clear objectives for this system. For objective 1, create a centralized, real-time code booking website that allows students and staff to view availability, reservations, and receive automated confirmations and reminders. Okay, for objective 2, reduce administrative burden and miscommunication by providing staff with a management dashboard for monitoring usage, generating reports, and communicating with users.
For objective 1, we designed a user-friendly interface with a calendar view, booking form, and automated email or SMS notifications. We will also include a login system using student or staff IDs.
Okay, from technician part, I will make sure the system is secure, especially since we are dealing with user data and facility access. So we will implement proper authentication and data protection measures to prevent unauthorized or use or tampering. For access control, I'm exploring low-cost options like QR code scanners or MSD tags. These technologies are simple but reliable and don't require expensive hardware. Currently, users could scan their code at the entrance to verify their booking history, just like I said before. So we can roll this out gradually, starting with the most used spots or facility, so we manage costs and adjust based on feedback. This based approach also gives us time to test and improve the system as we go.
Great. So that is totally aligned with our budget. If we can reduce manual errors and improve code utilization, it's a very worth the investment. So currently, we've been seeing too many scheduling conflicts, unused time slots, and also miscommunication between departments. So a centralized system could really streamline operation.
For me, the best solution is something simple but reliable. I would like to see a system where I can open a calendar view, choose an open slot, and confirm my booking right away. It should also send reminders before our session and allow easy cancellation or rescheduling. Another idea is to include a feedback form after each session, so users can share comments about the facility. This will help the management know what needs improvement and give students a voice in maintaining the sport areas. Overall, I believe a centralized booking system will make the sport activities more convenient and fair for everyone. It will save time, reduce confusion, and help both students and staff manage the facilities more efficiently.
Nice one, Indra. I also suggest adding a waitlist feature. For example, if someone cancels their booking, the next person in line automatically gets a notification that the slot is available. It will make the system more efficient and fair. All in all, I believe this system will not only make the booking process smoother, but also improve communication and transparency between the students and staff. It will encourage more students to use the facilities confidently, knowing that everything is well managed.
Okay. How about you, Idris? You have a word to say? Do you have any opinions on these solutions?
Yes, I do. I very much agree with our technician and developer. If the system includes an admin dashboard with clear booking controls and automated messaging, it will significantly reduce errors and misunderstandings. Plus, EQR technique sounds really great, which will allow us to verify users efficiently. In my opinion, having automated usage logs can help me generate reports for management automatically. So I think that these solution ideas can make the communication clearer and more transparent between staff and students.
Okay, excellent. We have identified the problems, maybe on to be objective, and outline a website-based solution that balances user needs and budget constraints. Developer and technician, please begin drafting the system, architecture and wireframes. Manager, we will need your approval on the proposed features and budget estimate.
Okay. I will prepare a prototype within 2 weeks and share it for feedback. Okay?
For the technician, I will assess the feasibility of your goals and prepare a cost breakdown. But trust me, you can trust the technician as my food. Okay?
Okay, so everything sounds good. So let's reformulate. In 2 weeks to review drafts.
I'm excited to see this come to life. It will make our sport session so much smoother.
Well, thank you for including us. This system will really help occasional users like me feel more confident about the booking.
And I think it makes my job a lot easier. Alright, I'm related to your part of this discussion. Looking forward to the next steps. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your, everyone for your contributions. This was our product decisions. Let's make the system a success.